Welcome to this tutorial where we'll delve into how you can make money by using AI tools. With the right approach, you can leverage AI's power to generate income in a variety of ways. Let's start by understanding what AI is. Artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. One of the ways you can make money with AI is by developing AI software or tools. If you have a background in coding and machine learning, this could be a lucrative opportunity. You can create AI tools that solve specific problems for businesses and sell them for a profit. Another way to profit from AI is by offering AI consulting services. Many companies are interested in implementing AI but lack the in-house expertise to do so. If you're well-versed in AI, you can offer your knowledge and services to these companies. In addition, you can also leverage AI to improve your existing business operations. For instance, AI can help you analyze customer behavior, streamline your operations, or even automate repetitive tasks. These improvements can lead to increased profits. Moreover, you can use AI to create and sell online content. With AI's help, you can automate the process of content creation and generate a steady stream of income. For instance, you could create an AI-powered blog or YouTube channel that generates ad revenue. Investing in AI startups is another avenue to explore. The AI industry is growing rapidly, and investing in a promising AI startup could yield significant returns. Of course, investing always comes with risks, so be sure to do your research before diving in. If you're an artist or a designer, you can also use AI to create and sell digital art. AI can help you create unique pieces of art that you can sell online. Many artists are already using AI to create stunning pieces of art and selling them for a profit. You can also make money by teaching others about AI. If you're an AI expert, consider creating an online course or writing a book about AI. You could also host webinars or workshops to share your knowledge and make money. Lastly, you can use AI to trade stocks. There are AI-powered tools that can analyze market trends and make predictive analyses. These tools can help you make more informed trading decisions and maximize your profits. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to make money with AI. Whether you're a developer, a consultant, a business owner, a content creator, an investor, an artist, a teacher, or a trader, you can leverage AI to generate income. Remember, the key is to match your skills and interests with the right opportunity. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video.